All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the sauce. Like I said, I'm gonna show you my strategy and what I do and how I use it to catch all my trades, yes, basically all of my trades, literally. Okay. Now, first thing I do when I'm using this strategy is I like to mark my all-time high, which my all-time high would be right here. I mark my all-time high. After I mark my all-time high, I'll grab a trend line and I'll place a trend line. Basically like this. I'll grab my trend line, place my trend line. Okay. Now, bam. This is how I basically do it, okay? So, how I know when to enter? I come over here and I give me a rectangle, right? And I basically look for a price when it's sideways. I look for price when it's sideways, when it consolidates, when it's rejecting, or it's resisting, okay? I grab me a box. And I like to mark that box with a certain color that I'll know. After that box is marked, sorry, it's lagging a little bit, I don't know why. Yeah, after that box is marked, I look for an entry. Now, I don't know if it's gonna go down or if it's gonna go up. That's why I like to place buy limit and the sell limit, all right? Buy limit, sell limit. I don't know which way it's gonna go. So if I was to enter this, I will enter right here. Enter right here with a 15, with a with a 20 pip stop loss. And how I know where to put my stop loss is this, okay? So bam, I enter. I want to give it a little wiggle room, but also I like to look to the left, and I like to use the little dash line trading view gives you. I like to look to the left, right? And I'll be seeing these highs. Like I'll be seeing these highs. I see these candle wicks. I see where the wicks are, like where the wick is right here on this bullish candle, this bearish candle, this bullish candle, right? I see them wicks. I'm like, all right, I see that. I'm gonna put my stop loss exactly where that is. So if I look to the left, where the numbers are, you see them numbers moving with that gray box. It say 109.301, right? So I'll have my stop loss either exactly at that number or like a tad bit above it, okay? That's what I'll do, because I know it's going to retest and I know it's going to try and stop loss hunt. So I'll make sure my stop loss is a tad bit above where that resistance was, which is now, since the resistance broke, that previous resistance is going to be used as support. So that's where I put my stop loss. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in for you, really break it down for you. I entered on this candle, this bullish candle, okay? Where I put my stop loss. I look to the left previously. I'm seeing these wicks. I see a wick here, 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 a wick here. I'm like, okay. Since all them wicks is there, I know it was rejecting off of, right? It came down, bounced off support, broke through, right? Since this resistance was broke, this resistance is going to be ended up using that support. But how am I going to know how far it will go down until it goes back? I'm going to look to the left. Look at these wicks right here. These wicks literally tell me where the support is. And if you look at the dashed line right now, the dashed line is literally right underneath that stop loss. That's why I put the stop loss a tad bit up. 20 pip stop loss. That ain't nothing. How I know where to put my take profit is? Okay. See, I put my take profit right here with them wicks. Now watch this. I'm gonna get me a line. Right? I'm gonna get me a line, and where them wicks at, I'm gonna place this line right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll to the left, and I'm gonna show you how you know where to put your stop loss and your take profit at. So keep zooming, keep zooming, keep zooming, keep zooming, keep zooming. I can look right here. Wow, look at that. I came all the way to the left, and I was looking. You see right here is rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. Playing around on this area, but broke through. Right here, if I see where it's rejecting, and if it's rejecting close to this line, I'm like, okay, that's my take profit. Because as the market keeps pushing up, how am I supposed to know when to get out? All I gotta do is, okay, the market keep pushing up. Okay, I'm gonna do this like this. All right. So let's say it's this. Let's say I got in, correct? Then once I got, all right, I got in. Then after I got in, it just started pushing up. Up, 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 correcting a little bit, up, 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 right? Now ask yourself, how the fuck am I supposed to get out? How am I supposed to get out? How am I supposed to know when I'm supposed to get out? All I do is I look to the left. I look to the left. This is my entry, and this is the market moving up. This is in profit. I go, look at this. I look to the left, right? I see this right here, this reject right here. I'm like, okay. Since I know it rejected right here, I want to save my spot to where it rejected. So I'm gonna put a horizontal line on where it rejected, and I'm gonna zoom in for you just so you can see. Now you saw we entered right here, and it started pushing up. Let me move this green line a little bit down. So we enter right here, right? It started pushing up, correct? So I'm gonna look to the left. I'm gonna say, okay, it's moving up, it's moving up. There ain't no history, like even if I look to the, let's say, all right, so I get in right, and it broke through that resistance, and the previous highs is way below where I entered, right? So how am I supposed to know when to get out? I just zoom out and I look to the left, bro. You look to the left, bro. So I say price right there. Okay, I look to the left. I'm like, where the next resistance at? I come right here. Damn, it rejected. Okay, bet it rejected. I'm a market, right? I'm a market. The horizontal line. I'm a market. This green. I'm mark this line green. It's my TP. Now I know what my take profit is. My take profit finna be 105,777. 105,777 is my take profit. Okay. That's one example. I'm gonna give you another example on how I know where to put my stop loss and where to put my take profit. All right. Another example, all right. Oh, here we go. Right here. We got another example. Where am I supposed to put my stop loss? Where I'm supposed to put my take profit? Okay. So if you see price going sideways or consolidating, I'll get a box, right? Bro, and this strategy works 90% of the time. I guarantee it, bro. Now, when I get me a box, right, I make sure I'm covering that support a little bit, or that you see that wick, but the wick not touching the box and I make sure I'm covering that resistance. Like I got that line right up, like a little bit above that resistance, because once it breaks, I want to be able to get in. All right. Now look, how where am I gonna put my stop loss? How am I supposed to know where I'm gonna put my stop loss? You know how I'm gonna know? I'm gonna look to the left. All right. So we just broke through. I'm not gonna put my stop loss right here because it rejected right there. That's dumb. Because it can easily come back and retest. And when it retests, since this was resistance, okay, it's gonna break through, it's gonna come back, it's gonna go up, it's gonna come down, and it's gonna retest that previous resistance. So I don't want to put my stop loss where that's gonna be supported because it might go a little bit lower, but still then push back up because it's gonna be on a bull run. All right. So I'll put my stop loss literally like right here off these wicks right here. This wick, and this wick, because I don't want to put it right here. I just enter right here. I enter right here. Stop loss hit. Okay, I'll be stopped for like 10 pips, and then you can catch a re-entry. Or if you want to have a bigger stop loss, you'd be like, okay, I just got in. I see this wick right here, but I already know it's going to retest. It's going to hit that stop loss. So I'm going to put my stop loss a little lower. I see this wick right here. I see this wick. I see this wick. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a horizontal ray. It's my stop loss. That's my stop loss, right? How am I supposed to know where to put my take profit? I just got in right here, right? And it's moving, like it's moving up, up, and up. How am I supposed to know when to get out? All you have to do is look to the left. Look to the left, okay? So it's pushing up. Let's say price right here. I go to the left. I'm like, where did it reject? Okay. I see it was rejecting right here, but price already above that. So let me look to the left even more. If I come over here, I see this candle right here. This candle right here rejected, forced it to go sideways, up, down, and push it down. And if I see this candle, it did the same thing. But how would I know? I'll just look at these candles. Okay, I see this candle rejected. It came down. Then I had these two tweezers. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have my take profit right in between these. I'm going off of this candle though. I'm gonna have my take profit right in between these, like literally like right here. So what I do is I give me a horizontal line, place that line, take profit. And I'll tell you how much you would have made off of this move, bro. Entry, 15 pip, stop loss. You're risking 15 pips to make 45 pips, basically. Yep. It's really 15. I don't know why it's saying 20. Because I haven't moved it. My fault. Yeah. My entry. Okay, I don't know when to get out. I'm gonna look to the left. I'm gonna see where the next closest resistance is. I say, okay, I don't want to put it this high because this is too unrealistic. This is just a long ass wick on some shit. It would have been different if the market came down, rejected, rejected. But nah, it consolidated, it pushed up. I'm sitting right here. I'm like, damn, where the fuck I'm put my take profit at? I could have easily put my take profit right here if I wanted to. But I'm like, nah, I'm gonna give it some more room. I could have either put my take profit on this, where this wick was, or this wick was. That's where I put it at. Nigga using a 1.0 lot size would have made uh, like $600, $700, bro. Dead ass. All right. I'm too much worried about this spot. Oh, here go another example right here. I'm gonna give me a box, just like Tyler. I'm gonna give me a box. All right. where I'm gonna enter it. Okay, I don't know where I want to enter it. I'm gonna enter it as soon as I'm motherfucker break, right? Ugh, I'm gonna get in right there. As soon as it break. All right, bet. All right, I'm in now. It's pushing up. Where can I get out? I can put my take profit anywhere I want. I can put it right here. I can put it right here. I can put it right here, or I can put it right here. It don't matter. Or I can put it right here because you can also see that support over here. So you can either cut your shit short and get out right here. You can get out right here. You can get out right here. You can get out right here on this small one, or you can get out right here. I'll put my shit right here. All right. I'm like, okay, I got in. Take profit. Stop loss. Right there. My stop loss going on this candle right here in the middle. I like to put it like kind of like in the middle, especially on something small like this. And it's only been going sideways for such little time. So you risking, like this is almost like a 1-to-2 ratio. You're risking 29 to make 57 pips. That's good, bro. All right. Now I'm gonna show you another example. This shit works with trend lines too. If you get trend line, this works with trend lines for real, for real. You can catch them back to back. This market has a lot of patterns. If you know what you're doing, you can catch this shit back to back. I'm gonna put a line right here. Catch this shit back to back. Put a line right here. Put a line right here. Okay. I don't know what about that. All right. How would I enter this? Okay. Now if I see at the top, it started going sideways. It pushed up, but it started going sideways. So I'm gonna give me a box. All right. I'm gonna box that part. I'm gonna box this little bit right here where it started going sideways. And I'm gonna mark this little bit right here where it started going sideways. Okay, now I got my areas marked, right? I'm ready for a break. I see the resistance strong, very strong. Support, well, we basically don't know. It's going sideways. All I know is this is an impulse and a correction. An impulse and a correction. You can use impulse correction with this. You can use pattern strategy with this. You can use Fibonacci with this. You can use Ichimoku with this. This is very, very simple. Okay. Where I would have got in. Oh, that's easy. I already know where I would have got in. I would have got in right here. In this area, basically. The line fucked up. I don't know why. Where I would have got in. Where I would have got in. That line fucked up. Okay. That's exactly where I would have got in. I'm gonna put my stop loss hit. Oh, I already know I'm gonna put my stop loss hit. If I got in right there, I'm gonna look at these wicks. I see this wick right here. I see this wick right here. I'm like, okay, I'm putting my stop loss right there. Right here. I got in on this candle. All right, I'm putting my stop loss right here above this wick. Give it a little room. I got in right here where I'm gonna put my stop loss at. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. I see this wick. I see this wick. I'm like, okay, I'm putting it right there. Now you're gonna ask yourself, where I'm gonna put my take profit at? How I find out what my next level, where I'm gonna put my take profits at? I always look to the left. All right, so I see the market pushing down, right? I'm gonna look to the left where previous support is. Previous support will be right here. Well, not necessarily, it'll either be right here or right here, but I'm gonna say right here. So what I would do is I would get a box and I will mark that shit. I will mark that box, bro. Every time. Every time I see that support, or that resistance coming up, I will mark it, bro. Every time. This is easy money every time. And you know, I'm putting my take profit. I'm putting my take profit inside this box. So if I was gonna put my take profit, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get me a line. I'm gonna just put the line inside the box. Put that line inside the box. It's your take profit. 105, 320. And you enter right here. You entered at 105, 743. Okay. And you took a sell on this too. It's like, okay. And I took a sell on this. Bet. I got in. Hold on. Gotta move this shit. Yeah. This shit tweaking. All right. So I got in right here. Basically like a 20 pip stop loss, basically. And then I said my take profit was gonna be that line. We can go on it. Yeah. Look. 2-to-2 ratio. You're risking 20 pips to make 43 pips. That's one move, right? And then you see that shit set up again. Okay, it tests that support, come down, it make a new level of support, right? And make that new level because it just broke that one. Okay, you see it's going up again. All right, I'm gonna grab me a line. Oh, you see it consolidating. You're like, I bet. I know it's finna tank because you know I know it's finna tank. Look, this box right here. If I was to drag that box over, bro. If I was to drag that box over, this is still support, bro, because it's still fucking around on the hoe. Then it broke through. I'm like, I bet. I know exactly where I'm finna get out. I see it pushing lower and lower. I look to the left. I'm like, dang, ain't no info. Like, how I know I'm supposed to get out? All right, let's say price about right here, right? Price about right here. Or if I want, or if I see price out right there, I can easily put a line on this candlestick right here and have take profit. Or I can put the line right here above this wick to put take profit. Or if I feel like it's gonna push even lower, I'll put my line right down here in this area. That'll be my take profit. Wonder how the market moves. I'm glad I figured this out. This is bread and butter all day long. All day long. I only took one L on this crap, bro. One. Ever since I figured this out, took one. So look, bro. Look at the risk reward, bro. Risk for 17 pips to make 77 pips. Come on, man. That's a great risk reward. Same thing with this. Okay. How am I supposed to know when I'm gonna get out? All right. So I enter right here and it's pushing down lower, right? If I look to the left, I can see it rejected. So look, I can either get out right here. And also when it's pushing lower, I can look to the left. I can be like, all right, it rejected around this area. I can put my take profit right here and I can get out. Or if I even look to the left some more, I see it came down all the way down here. So I'm gonna be like, fuck it. All right, let's say it's going down. I feel like it's retesting, it's gonna push lower. I'm gonna put my take profit right here, right there. Now I know where to put my stop loss and take profit at. All right, come here. Come here. Come on, bro. Risk 20 pips to make 50. Come on, man. Look at that, bro. Easy money, bro. Easy money. You see the moves, bro. It go the same way with patterns, bro. It go the same way with patterns. If you see a double top or a double bottom, it's the same exact way, bro. It's the same exact way, bro. And look, I'm gonna show you something right here, bro. It's another one. I can get me a line. I can be like, all right, I'm put my line right here. All right, I'm put it right here. I see it's consolidating at the top. It's trying to go in sideways. So I'm gonna just box it up. I'm gonna just box it up. Once it break, I'm getting in, right? So I'm like, all right, when I'm gonna get in. That's a bit. I'm getting it right here. Duh. All right here. My entry. Where my stop loss gonna be at? I already know where my stop loss gonna be at. I'm gonna grab me a horizontal ray. I'm gonna look. All right. So I got in. I could look to the left. I see there's some resistance right here. And I can even look over here. There's some resistance right here. I'm gonna give it some wiggle room. So I'm gonna go off of this candle. So I'm gonna put it like right here. Stop loss. All right. That's a nice size stop loss, right? Because we bought an all-time high. If you look at it, if you even look to the left over here, ain't nothing here. I'm like, all right, I'm put it right there, give it some room. Just in case it want to come back up and retest, you see we're rejected, it can come up here and retest and go lower. So all right, I get in. Oh, how I'm supposed to know when I'm gonna get out? That's easy. You look at previous history. Oh, so, okay, you see it pushing lower and lower. I can go off of these candles right here. I can say, oh, it's rejecting right here. I can put my take profit right here. I can put it right here, right here, right here. Or I feel like it's going to just, since it rejected right here, I feel like it's going to go down, retest, and push even lower. Since we in a bear run, this a bear run. Sellers taking over the market now. I can even look right here. I say, oh, this used to be previous resistance, but it broke it. I can put my take profit right here. Because this is what you have to realize about the market. The support is always at the bottom, and the resistance is always at the top. So if support was at the bottom, resistance was at the top, and the bulls took over the market, okay, they break through, right? Once the sellers take over the market, this level right here is going to be support. It used to be resistance though. That's crazy. This level used to be resistance though, but now it's support, right? And let's say they break through, right? They come here, ooh, reject off of that. Oh, look, the support right here, the resistance right here. Floor, support, top, ceiling. And like I said, it was going sideways. It broke through. You like, damn, ain't no, I can either put my take profit right here, or I'll be like, this is the all-time low. I can put it right there and look, reject. Easy money. Got in right here, took it up here. Okay, broke through, got in right here, took it down here. Okay, got in right here, got out right here. Back to back to back to back to back. These setups are back to back to back, literally all the time. This market has a certain pattern, certain pairs move certain ways, everything, bro, everything. Look at my watch list. This is my watch list. I put flags over everything. Look, I got some sitting over here. These things been sitting over here for like 2 weeks now. But yeah, this is the strategy. If you still don't understand it, I can get you on a Zoom call. But I feel like I've been basically, went over everything that you need to know. How to get in, what to look for, how I'm gonna put my stop loss, how I'm gonna put my take profit. When do I know when to get in? When do I know when to get out? Stuff like that. How do I know if it's a good entry? Oh yeah, and your 4 confirmations. You need 4 confirmations, okay? Your first confirmation. Have you analyzed the chart? Is your analysis correct? Is your box covering the support and resistance? That's 1. Your 2, what is your risk? What is your reward? What I mean by risk reward. So I mean, grab one of these tools literally. If you're doing a sell, okay, cool. If you're doing a buy, okay, cool. You need to have all these set. So if you when it breaks, if you're gonna buy, you put a buy limit. If it breaks and it sells, you put a sell limit. And like I said, where you enter that, once you put that horizontal line, the stamp where you're gonna enter it, whatever that number is, that's gonna be the number for your entry. Your stop loss, I give me a little red line. Okay, that's my stop loss, my take profit. If it's going down and I see no information, I'm gonna scroll over and see where it rejected closest, put a horizontal line. That's gonna be my take profit every time. That's your second one. So your first one was, did you mark your zones? Are your zones marked? Is your analysis right? Your second, your risk reward. What size lot sizes? Can you risk this much on this trade to make such and such back and more? Your third one, are you at least 90% sure, 90% confident that this trade will go through? Or are you completely positive that, this trade gonna go in profit and you're not gonna take an L? You need to be confident in your trades when you're taking these trades. You need to be confident. You can't be iffy. If you iffy and you still want to enter, just go in with a 0.01 lot size, dead ass. If you iffy, like if you mad, if you like, I don't know, go in with a 0.01 lot size. Practice is a strategy. And then over time, you're gonna get confident. You're gonna use regular lot sizes. I swear to God, you're gonna be able to use regular lot sizes probably faster than anybody in them chat rooms, bro. Basically off of this. And then the fourth one is just pull the trigger, take the trade, and don't look at your phone or none of that, because you already know on these trades how they had a little pullback. So you might still be in a negative from your entry, but you got a nice high stop loss. Just let that trade run. And by the way, only trade the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, and the weekly. The lowest I'm gonna go is the 30-minute. I actually caught a trade on a 30-minute. It was AUD USD on the 30-minute. It actually consolidated like this. I put a box over it, put my buy limit, and I already knew what my take profit was because of previous, and it hit my take profit this morning. So yeah, that's the strategy, bro. That ass. You know what I'm saying? And if anybody come in and be like, "Hey, how you learn? Like how you learn this? Like how you profiting?" Shit, just send them to me. Oh, that's all you gotta do is just send them to me and I'll teach them. Cause I'd rather teach them since I've been working on it for so long. You try to teach them, and then like if you still practicing about it, you might fuck them up. So yeah, they want to learn. Hey, I got them for sure. But yeah, that's the strategy, bro. That is the strategy.